Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's review. We're diving deep into the world of tablet styluses, perfect for all your writing and drawing needs. If you've got a tablet, you might be on the fence, wondering if a stylus is truly worth the investment. Well, let's explore that question and find out. First, let's unpack the significant benefits a quality stylus brings to the table. A good stylus offers unparalleled precision. Forget the limitations of clumsy fingers. A stylus empowers you to create fine lines, render incredibly detailed drawings, and write with a level of accuracy that's simply unmatched. Beyond precision, there's a tangible boost to your overall productivity. Styluses significantly speed up note-taking, streamline document editing, and make navigating your tablet a breeze. No more constant zooming, pinching, and frustrating navigation attempts. The writing and drawing experience is also vastly improved. Styluses are designed to mimic the feel of a pen or pencil gliding across paper, making handwriting feel natural and intuitive. This is especially advantageous and a joy for those of us who love to sketch, draw, or take handwritten notes, transforming your tablet into a true digital canvas or notepad. Now, let's break down the different types of styluses available. First, we have the basic capacitive styluses. These are the most common and versatile, working seamlessly on nearly all touchscreen devices. They're usually quite inexpensive, making them accessible to everyone, but they generally offer more limited features compared to their more advanced counterparts. Then, we have active styluses. These clever devices utilize Bluetooth or other sophisticated technologies to connect with your tablet, unlocking a suite of advanced features like pressure sensitivity and palm rejection. Active styluses are often specifically designed and optimized for particular tablet models, ensuring a perfect match. Pressure sensitivity is a genuine game changer, especially for artists and creative professionals. The harder you press down on the stylus tip, the thicker and bolder your line becomes, allowing for incredible control and nuanced expression. Palm rejection is another fantastic feature that prevents accidental marks or unwanted lines when your hand rests comfortably on the screen while you're working. This allows for a much more comfortable and natural drawing and writing experience. Choosing the right stylus for your needs comes down to careful consideration. First, think critically about what you'll be using the stylus for most often. Are you a casual note-taker, or do you intend to use it for extensive creative endeavors? If you're primarily a casual note-taker or a light user, a basic capacitive stylus might be perfectly adequate and serve your needs well. However, if you're an artist, a designer, or anyone who demands precision and control, you'll undoubtedly want to invest in the advanced features that an active stylus provides. Also, always consider tablet compatibility. Not all styluses are compatible with all tablets. This is a crucial detail to verify. Make sure the stylus you're considering is specifically designed and fully compatible with your particular device. Finally, think about the features that are most important to you. Do you absolutely need pressure sensitivity for artistic expression? Is palm rejection a must-have for a comfortable drawing experience? Are customizable buttons important for workflow efficiency? Research different models thoroughly and read in-depth reviews from trusted sources to pinpoint the stylus that best aligns with your individual needs and preferences. Let's delve into some popular and highly regarded models. The Apple Pencil is a perennial favorite, particularly among iPad users. It consistently delivers amazing precision, exceptional pressure sensitivity, and a consistently great overall user experience, making it a top contender. The Samsung S Pen is another excellent option, specifically engineered for Samsung tablets. It's renowned for its impressively low latency responsiveness and a host of useful and convenient features. Many other reputable brands also manufacture excellent styluses, so don't hesitate to explore the diverse range of available options to find the perfect fit. In conclusion, a tablet stylus is a genuinely worthwhile investment for anyone who wants to write, draw, or navigate their tablet with considerably greater precision, ease, and efficiency. Carefully consider your individual needs. Choose the right type of stylus that matches those needs. And prepare to enjoy the significantly enhanced experience. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of tablet styluses, perfect for writing and drawing. If you're looking to elevate your digital artistry or simply jot down notes, this is the place to be. We'll explore what makes a great stylus, the key features, and how to choose the right one for you. So, what should you look for in a tablet stylus? First, consider the tip. Fine tip styluses offer precision, ideal for detailed drawings and handwriting. They often come with features like palm rejection, so your screen only registers the stylus input. Then there's the pressure sensitivity. This feature mimics the feel of a real pen or brush, allowing for varying line weights, depending on how hard you press. This is a must-have for any digital artist. Next, think about the material and the ergonomics. Does it feel comfortable in your hand? A well-designed stylus will let you work for hours without fatigue. Finally, battery life is crucial for a seamless experience. Look for styluses that offer long-lasting use or quick charging capabilities. Now, let's look at some specific features. Palm rejection is a game changer. It prevents accidental marks by ignoring the touch of your palm on the screen. Tilt sensitivity allows you to shade or change the thickness of lines simply by tilting the stylus, just like a real pencil. Programmable buttons are useful for quick access to tools or functions. They can save you a lot of time and effort while you work. And of course, the stylus's compatibility with your tablet is key. Make sure the stylus works with your specific device and operating system. Check the specs to ensure that it's compatible. Writing with a stylus is a breeze. It's like using a pen and paper, but digital. For note-taking, a stylus allows for quick and efficient input. You can easily write, draw diagrams, and annotate documents. Many apps support handwriting to text conversion, so your notes can be converted into typed text. For students and professionals, a stylus is an invaluable tool for taking meeting notes, brainstorming ideas, and marking up documents. It helps to keep your work organized and accessible. Drawing with a stylus opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. With pressure and tilt sensitivity, artists can create detailed illustrations and paintings. Styluses offer precise control, so you can work on fine details with accuracy. They're excellent for graphic design, whether it's creating logos, illustrations, or digital paintings. A stylus makes it easy to bring your ideas to life on a tablet. You can work with various digital art programs, like Procreate, Adobe Photoshop, and others. The stylus allows you to replicate traditional art techniques with ease. So, how do you choose the right stylus for you? Start by considering your needs. Are you mainly using it for writing or drawing? Or both? Identify the features that are most important to you. If you're a digital artist, you'll need features like pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition. Consider the price and your budget. Styluses range widely in price, so set a budget beforehand and stick to it. Finally, read reviews. See what other users are saying about the stylus's performance and reliability. And that's our look at tablet styluses for writing and drawing. We hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials.